The secret to rapid plant growth and abundant fruit. Never throw away burned waste ash again. Ash from burned organic materials, such as wood, twigs, or dried leaves, can be utilized as a beneficial additive for plants. Its mineral content, including potassium and calcium, can help support plant growth when used correctly. Collect 1 glass of burnt trash. Ash is the main ingredient. Make sure the ash comes from burning organic materials such as wood, twigs, or dry leaves, and is completely cool before using. Ash from burned waste can be used on various types of plants, such as cucumbers, chili peppers, tomatoes, eggplants, and certain fruit-bearing plants. Apply it sparingly at intervals of approximately 2 to 4 weeks, while monitoring soil conditions and the plant's needs. Place 1 cup of wood ash into a bottle or bucket. Add 4 liters of clean water. Stir until thoroughly mixed. Let it sit for 12 to 24 hours to allow the coarse particles to settle. Use the clear water above the sediment to water the plants. Ash from burning waste can be beneficial for plants, provided it comes from clean organic materials, such as wood, leaves, or twigs, that are free of paint or plastic. Its benefits include adding potassium, K, which aids in flower and fruit formation, providing calcium, Ca, which helps strengthen plant tissues, helping to raise the pH level of overly acidic soil, improving soil structure when used in moderation, helping to deter certain pests, such as slugs and snails, when sprinkled lightly around plants. Application methods. Sprinkling. Sprinkle a thin layer around the base of the plant, ensuring it does not come into direct contact with the stem. Solution. Mix approximately 1 cup of ash into 4 liters of water, stir well, let it sit for a short while, and then water the soil around the plant with the mixture. The best times to apply incinerated waste ash to plants are in the morning, between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m., when the temperature is cool and the soil is still moist. In the late afternoon, between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m., after the heat of the sun has subsided. For cucumber plants, apply when the plants have developed 3 to 4 leaves. Repeat every 2 to 3 weeks if necessary. After application, water adequately to help the nutrients from the ash penetrate the soil more easily. Avoid applying during midday, as high temperatures can reduce the application's effectiveness and make the plants more prone to stress. How to obtain ash for plants. Ash is obtained by burning clean organic materials, such as twigs, wood, dry leaves, rice husks, or garden plant debris. Once the burning is complete and the fire has been fully extinguished, allow the ash to cool down. Next, sift the ash to separate out any remaining charcoal or impurities. Store the fine ash in a dry, covered container or bucket to maintain its quality until it is ready to be used as fertilizer. Important: do not use ash derived from burning plastic, rubber, fabric, painted or chemically treated wood, or waste containing chemicals, as these can harm plants and contaminate the soil. In that case, never throw away eggshells. Eggshells contain calcium and minerals that help promote plant growth, strengthen roots, and support the development of flowers and fruit. How to make dry fertilizer from eggshells and cocopeat. Prepare 10 to 15 eggshells and wash them thoroughly. Sun dry or dry roast the eggshells until they are completely dry. Grind the eggshells into a powder. Mix 1 part eggshell powder with 2 parts cocopeat and stir until well blended. Store the mixture in a dry, sealed container to ensure longevity. Benefits of eggshells and cocopeat for plants. Eggshells are rich in calcium, which helps strengthen plant roots, stems, and cell walls. Calcium also helps alleviate symptoms of calcium deficiency, such as blossom end rot in certain plants. Cocopeat serves as a growing medium capable of retaining air, maintaining soil moisture, improving aeration, and promoting healthier root growth. The combination of eggshells and cocopeat creates a dry fertilizer that helps maintain the fertility of the growing medium, supports root development, and fosters healthier, stronger plant growth. Application for cucumber plants: scatter 2 to 3 tablespoons of the dry fertilizer mixture, consisting of eggshells and coconut coir, around the base of the cucumber plant, keeping a distance of about 5 to 10 centimeters from the stem. Afterward, gently mix it into the soil and water sufficiently. Repeat this process every 2 to 4 weeks to help maintain the fertility of the growing medium and support healthy root growth. Thank you for watching my video to the end. I hope the information I shared proves useful and helps you care for your plants so they grow lush and healthy, yielding an abundant harvest. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on gardening tips, organic fertilizer recipes, and other plant-related tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or share your experiences in the comments section. See you in the next video. Wishing you success and happy gardening.